La Ley was founded 74 years ago. In its first publication, Revista Jurídica Argentina La Ley, appeared. Ever since then, the company has always aimed to lead, standing side by side with its clients, staff, and shareholders, listening to their needs. Along this path of permanent evolution, La Ley is now part of Thomson Reuters. Thomson Reuters La Ley has become a vast organization with locations all over Argentina, as well as in Paraguay, Uruguay, and recently in Chile, joining Punto Lex to the regional operations. La Ley has grown profitably and in a sustainable manner all these years, reaping opportunity from crisis and tripling billing volume over the last 6 years. Future professionals have received excellent tools, and the teaching and research community are receiving important backup. For example, document centers were established in the schools of law and economic sciences of the University of Buenos Aires, and La Ley has been actively engaged in working with the professional institutions and organizations that serve the professional communities. Continuous research on customer needs through advisory boards, fax usability tests, and other methodologies in use in Thomson Reuters worldwide allow La Ley to develop different value proposals for each customer segment. Constant evolution towards innovation and in-depth knowledge of the customer have led in 2008 to the launch of La Ley Online 2.0 based on multiple application framework. This new platform combines the power and expertise provided by Thomson Reuters and the findings resulting from 6 years of continuous exploration and user experience. All these years, La Ley has worked on different leverage initiatives with Thomson Reuters. Some examples are the IT Shared Service Centers, which developed online solutions for businesses across Thomson Reuters Legal, and have recently worked on projects like MAF Migrations for Scandinavia and Westlaw China, EASL, and Westlaw Encuentra for Spain, among others. Leverage has included as well telesales, content analysis, and coding projects for Aranzadi and the recently established MIS e-commerce team. La Ley, today, also has a catalog of exclusive books that include the most important professional reference in our country. New classics, conceived of as works to become the great classics in law and economics, are what is powering growth in the book sector, included in the less is more approach. A strong commercial focus and the evolution of different sales channels are key in La Ley in producing the planned results year in and year out. In-depth retraining of the sales force, development of new skills to evolve from transactional to online sales, restructuring branches to turn them into professional bookstores, and telesales growth all have contributed to overall growth. And finally, we have carried out an important commercial training program with innovative tools such as SEAP and the recent launch of the Sales Leadership Academy. Throughout all these years of change that have led to permanent growth, the team at La Ley has continued to maintain the same values, convictions, and principles that help construct the prestige enjoyed today by the company. The management of La Ley, convinced that the business grows when people grow, is promoting a high-performance culture that will prepare the team to face this constant challenge. The human resources strategies implemented by Thomson Reuters in its organizations have contributed in La Ley to develop a solid team and structure with the competences and skills necessary for continued growth. For example, job families, OPM, and TTMS have been implemented, among others. Today, La Ley finds itself at the highest engagement levels of the corporation. According to the latest survey, and for the last 2 consecutive years, it has been ranked in the top 10 best employers in the country, according to Apertura, a local business journal. The Great Place to Work Institute has ranked La Ley 30th in their annual ranking, and we aim to become the best place to work. La Ley Solidaria represents our continuous social commitment. This volunteer program has been in place for 5 years, and 40% of our employees participate actively. The work it does in education, sponsoring schools that educate more than 274 children. Employees from all over Argentina participate in La Ley Solidaria, thus contributing to greater staff integration, keeping the future in perspective and staying abreast of development in a world that is constantly updated. Thomson Reuters La Ley has adapted to these changes without losing its essence. We help the legal system perform better every day, worldwide.